Come here, cat. Chewy's mad.
Valen, go to kiss the kitty cat. Kiss the kitty cat, Valen.
Oh.
Not that kitty cat.
Yeah, the other kitty cat.
Oh.
This kitty? You like your new friend? Chewy.
Don't get to look at that poor kitten is shaking. Don't put him in the line of fire.
I'm not gonna let him hurt him. Chewy.
This is Valen's
Chewy.
cat, Chewy. And I don't know this cat's name over here.
Wait, what is...
Chewy's like, I'm gonna kill Anna. Just because I'm so mad.
What is her name again?
Ocala.
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 Oh, that's Ocala.
Where'd you get that?
This city in Florida. Hey. Hey!
Oh my gosh, cat is pissed off at you.
So, do you like your new friend?
Chewy up and just bonk the kitten for a while.
You don't like your new friend? Look at her feet. Oh.
Go kiss the kitty. Kiss the kitty.
Hey. You're not gonna attack me when I give you a kiss.
I don't want them to hear her.
That's cute.
Bite your head off.
The barking had to wake up your dad. Found we gotta let the dogs in and let you. They're right here. Is the back door open? How do they get in?
You won't be mad forever.
They've already been in.